In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make Warp VPN faster. This is my normal internet speed, and I want to increase it using Warp VPN. First, click on the arrow available in the bottom right corner. Here, you'll see a cloud icon. Click on it. Make sure you have Warp VPN installed first. Next, click on the settings icon. After that, you'll see the preferences option. Click on it. Now you'll see your device ID. Right-click on it and copy this ID. Go to the Connection tab. Here, you'll see the Gateway DOH subdomain option. Paste your copied device ID here and click on Save. That's it. Now open Warp VPN. You'll see that its status has changed. Click on the settings icon again. You now have two options, Gateway with DOH and Gateway with Warp. Try them both, one by one. Sometimes, due to server problems, the high-speed option may not work, so try the second option. You should see that your internet speed has increased 3 times or more.